Men, it's time to take charge of your skin. You look in the mirror and you realize that years have worn your skin off. You wished you could turn back time and have that bright, charming smile once again. What if I told you that this is possible? Will you stay till the very end of the video to find out how? Your skin is the largest organ of your body. It is often neglected, and over the years layers of dead skin start to build up, which makes your skin appear dull. Before you spend hundreds and thousands on commercial cosmetic products and treatment, we have a natural yet low-cost method that you can try. In this video, we will tell you what the secret ingredients are, how it can help you, and finally how to use them. Are you ready for the big reveal? The answer is coffee ground and baby oil. The next time you make your morning coffee, remember not to throw away the remaining coffee grounds. Coffee grounds' gritty texture works as a mild exfoliator to help remove dead skin cells and encourage a clearer complexion. This scrub can leave your skin feeling very vigorous and lively when paired with the moisturizing benefits of baby oil. This combination not only has anti-aging advantages, but also works as a dual-action exfoliation and hydration therapy. Benefits of baby oil for skin health. Baby oil is designed to be mild on a baby's fragile skin, and so it also works similarly on the skin of adults. The skin is kept moisturized and supple by helping to seal in moisture and prevent water loss. Protects the skin barrier. The oil forms a barrier on the skin's surface that shields it from irritants, severe weather, and environmental toxins. This barrier aids in preserving the skin's normal moisture balance and guards against drying. Calms irritated skin. Baby oil might provide comfort if you have dry or irritated skin. With its mild and non-irritating solution, sensitive regions can be soothed and calmed, which will lessen discomfort and redness. Baby oil is frequently used for massages because of its silky feel. It makes gliding over the skin simple, which makes massages more comfortable and soothing. Baby oil's moisturizing qualities might also aid in promoting relaxation and easing muscle tension. Baby oil is widely regarded as being suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Before applying it on a broader region, you should always carry out a patch test, especially if you have any allergies or particular skin issues. The magic of coffee for anti-aging. Coffee is not only used to help keep you up during intense study sessions or your go-to morning pick-me-up, but it also has fantastic anti-aging qualities. Antioxidants found in coffee counteract the damage that free radicals do to our skin cells. It aids in skin tightening, which lessens the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, coffee increases blood flow, which helps to maintain a glowing and healthy complexion. How to use coffee grinds and baby oil that extra charm. Now that we understand the benefits of both baby oil and coffee for our skin, let's move on to the part that we have all been waiting for. Here's our simple recipe. First, you will need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of baby oil and 1 tablespoon of finely ground coffee. Next, combine the baby oil and finely powdered coffee in a small dish and stir until a paste forms. Cleanse your face gently to get rid of any dirt or leftover makeup. The mask should be applied to your face and neck in a thin layer, avoiding the eye region. To let the ingredients do their job, let the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. When the time is up, wash the mask off with warm water, then pat your skin dry. Applying your preferred moisturizer to seal in the moisture and nutrients. Results and precautions. Let's now discuss the anticipated outcomes and a few safety tips to remember while applying this anti-aging mask. Individual skin types and conditions may have an impact on results. However, many people have noted improved skin texture, diminished aging symptoms, and a revitalized skin. It's important to keep in mind, though, that this mask is not a replacement for an all-encompassing skincare regimen and a healthy lifestyle. It's also important to note that you should conduct a patch test before using the mask on your face if you have sensitive skin or any pre-existing skin disorders. If you have any questions or allergies, you should also see a dermatologist. Remember that it's not only the women that need skincare, men these days need it even more to be the center of the action. Try out this mask and let us know how it worked for you in the comments section below. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, it will mean a lot to us. Until then, remain manly and confident.